Good morning. So this is Sindhu Banu Prakash. So today I am at Columbia University, which is at New York. So today we have Dr. Tejas Prasanna with us. So hello doctor, how are you doing?
Hi Sindhu, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. So this university is really great. So could you please tell us about the experience of working as a research scientist at this university?
Yeah, it's a really great experience. I have been thinking about pursuing a career in pure physics, especially in astrophysics, right from my school days. I'm really excited towards studying stars, planets, and the inner workings of the universe. That really gets me excited, and that is the main reason I chose pure physics. And this university has given me an opportunity to explore further, and I have a really good advisor and research group over here. So every day is a new experience, doing new simulations, studying new physics, understanding the workings of the universe. So this is really exciting, and I'm really happy to be here.
That's really nice, Tejas. How about your PhD? Where did you complete your PhD?
So my PhD was at the Ohio State University. I pursued a PhD in physics for 5 years. I got my master's along the way. So the first 2 years there was coursework which I completed, and after my candidacy exam, I was awarded a master's degree. And then for the next 3 years, I was into pure research in astrophysics with my advisor, Professor Todd Thompson. So my study was basically on neutron stars and synthesis of heavy elements such as gold, silver, platinum, osmium, and other heavy elements. So my PhD was there at the Ohio State University for 5 years, and after I completed my PhD at the Ohio State, I applied for a postdoctoral position, and I got one at Columbia University. Now I am here at Columbia University working as a postdoctoral research scientist.
Wow, that's really great, Tejas. Since how many years you're staying in US?
I have been in the US for the past 6 years. I came to the US first in August of 2019.
Okay, nice. One last question. You'll be knowing that most of them having this dream to get into this university, Columbia University especially, and pursue their further education. So what would be your suggestion to them?
So, more than any advice, I would like to say that if you are interested in pure physics and if you have a passion to pursue science, you should not have particular dreams as to I need to get into a particular university, I need to be in an Ivy League university like the Columbia University. So your main focus should be on physics. So you should be curious to understand the workings of the universe. You should be excited to pursue research. So if you go along that path, then you'll really get real dividends. You'll start enjoying science. You'll start getting recognition. You'll start enjoying everything. So my only advice is you should enjoy whatever you're doing. You should work smart and not hard. So if you are interested in what you're doing, and if you aren't bored in what you're doing, then you'll be a successful physicist or a successful scientist or a successful human being in general. So that's it. So enjoy what you're doing. Be happy always.
Wow, that's really a great message to all the students. So that was a brief chat with Dr. Tejas Prasanna, and we'll be getting back with more other videos, informative videos in the future days. So this is Sindhu Banu Prakash signing off from Columbia University. So if you like this video, please do hit like button and share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.